बोलो तो मैं आई वाज वरीड अबाउट तमन्ना जी आज आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. तो ये 2 मिनट का बीच में जो हॉल था वाज एक्सेप्टेबल एज लॉन्ग एज तमन्ना जी इज हियर. आपको और मेरे को देखने के लिए कोई नहीं आने वाला है. बट यस गाना डेफिनेटली वायरल हो गया था. द डे आई रियलाइज परसों वर्ली नाका सीलिंग से मैं बाहर निकल रहा था. आई वाज जस्ट अमेज्ड. उधर एक ट्रैफिक आइलैंड है. बच्चे लोगों को गाना लगा के दे वर प्रैक्टिसिंग द हुक स्टेप. तो अपना काम तो हो ही गया है. मोमेंट द ग्राउंड लेवल टीम एंड द ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट्स अ सॉन्ग, दैट्स इट, इट्स अ हिट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जानी मास्टर एंड तमन्ना जी, और क्या बात है.
नहीं, पर जैसे आपने कहा अनिरुद्ध इज म्यूजिक कंपोजर जो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. And I think we are very, very fortunate to have him on our team, and he's given us a wonderful track. So,
Pankaj, when you see big star cast like this, ये तो बहुत next level. The मोहनलाल सर है, शिवा सर है, रजनी सर है, तमन्ना, जैकी श्रॉफ. I think there's a pressure sort of increase also to make sure कि right audience देख पाए. तो क्या होता है in a regional film which becomes national and then you're trying to we're still fighting with it. Let's be honest, 5 साल से we're still fighting with the fact कि क्या हम इसको national बना पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. But here we have superstars in it. So pressure बढ़ जाता है क्या distribution में?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में प्रेशर तो हमेशा रहता ही है, इतने पैसे लगे हुए होते हैं. बट व्हेन यू सी द कंटेंट, आज आम आदमी को क्या चाहिए? भैया 3 घंटे में जाता हूँ, ऐश करके आता हूँ. और रजनीकांत सर जैसे आएंगे, सीटियाँ तो वैसे ही बच जाती है. That 3 minutes, the 3 hours, you just forget your worries, you enjoy and you come out. When you have that feel, distribution का टेंशन निकल जाता है फिर.
And आपको तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. वो बोलता है पर्पल पैच. जब कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर से पूछते हैं, कोई बैट्समैन भी पूछता है कि हर एक चीज अच्छी चलनी चाहिए.
सलिल, आपको नहीं लगता ये जो आप अमेजिंग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
ये भी करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे को भी पूछने दो. उसके बाद तो मेरा पूछना है.
क्या पूछना है आपको?
This amazing patch for the last 3 months, यार, it's very difficult to get it going. आपके hit after it, whether it's online or whether it's the films.
Yeah.
Are you counting your blessings? Are you visiting an astrologer? Are you visiting the mandir a little extra?
They say, luck favors the ones who work hard, and luck favors the brave. So I've just been brave, and I've just been intentional, and I'm doing everything that excites me, ignites a fire in me, and luck seems to be favoring that.
Luck is favoring the brave in a very nice way. And now her brave request is, please go ahead. Like I said, this
as much as I love Salil, I actually don't want rock and roll.
This is the most intimate, beautiful setting. Go ahead. Anybody, just we'll go one.
I can't do, right? Like, you need a actress to do it. Nobody would watch it if it was being done like that. So everyone has their part. In fact, ये फिल्म सबसे बड़ा सबूत है उस बात का. इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, इतने बड़ी स्टाइल पे बनाई गई है. रजनी सर हैं, मोहनलाल सर हैं, शिवराज सर हैं, रम्या कृष्णा मैम है, जग्गू दादा इज देयर. I have a part to play. We are all playing parts in a movie, which is the vision of Nelson sir. So आज ऐसा दौर आ गया है कि nobody is shying away from playing a part, because essentially जैसे कभी जब इंडिया मैच जीतती है तो कोई केयर नहीं करता कि किसने कितने रन बनाए. अच्छा लगता है जब सचिन 100 कमाता है, but it's always nice that इंडिया जीतती है. So for us, the movie is like that. We want the film to do well, and when that does well, then everyone around it does well. So that's the point. I think I can't talk about an industry overall because that's a very big thing to say. But I can tell you one thing, sir, that we've not made a pan-India film. We've made a rooted, true to its region, strong, big, massy entertainer with probably the biggest superstar the country has. And but we're not trying to make a pan-India film here. We're trying to make a film जो लोगों से जुड़े. And वापस से जब हम कावाला जैसा एक सॉन्ग रिलीज करते हैं, ये हमारे लिए भी एक एफर्मेशन बन जाता है कि जब वो सॉन्ग अच्छा हो. अच्छा, ये तमिल सॉन्ग है जिसका टाइटल तेलुगु है, so that's unique. You normally don't have a Tamil song with a Telugu title. And now we've come to the Hindi audiences because we feel like our content is strong, that it will travel across languages. उसको भाषा की जरूरत नहीं है. So I don't think it's one industry over another. It's only about when we are culturally so strong that whenever we take our culture and we celebrate it, वो automatically we are at least hoping कि पूरे देश तक पहुंचे. So यही हमारा प्रयास है.
తమన్నా ఏం కావాలా
మీరు కావాలండి మీలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
బాగుంది. Okay, you love dancing and you're a very exuberant dancer, you know. What dancing means to you?
I just know one thing कि कोई भी मैंने आज तक किसी को गुस्से में डांस करते हुए नहीं देखा. मतलब आपको खुश होना पड़ता है. It's like a given कि अगर आपको डांस करना है तो आपको खुशी में करना पड़ेगा. So I've never seen a very angry person dancing or an upset. Have you seen an upset person dance ever?
But I've seen people struggling. आप जिस तरह करते हो हम लोग का ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं, struggle is a different thing. Have you seen someone sadly dancing? Nobody sadly dances. Everyone happily dances. Yeah. So I think that's the kind of dancer I am, and that's the kind of dancer I've always been since I was a young kid. I just love dancing. It's a way for me to express myself. It's a way for me to channel my joy, and I love doing it with my loved ones in person, and of course as a performer for the entire audience because. They're all the people I'm actually doing this for.
Tamanna, this is a very good phase for you, you know, personally and professionally also. What would you like to sum up in 2-3 sentences?
I think today as a woman in 2023, it's very important to accept yourself the way you are. And the moment you start doing that, everyone starts accepting you. And I might have been one of those fortunate people who had the luxury of learning this through the growth of my cinema journey. But I could say this to everyone. It's beauty. People think that film actors or supposing people think that I am beautiful. I think true beauty comes from just acceptance. And the moment you do that, everyone loves you.
Tamanna here.
Hello.
It is hi, how? It is fantastic, you know, जब आपको ऑन स्क्रीन देखें और जो डांस इतना वायरल हो गया है और आपने अभी कहा कि एक क्रिकेट टीम जब खेलती है तो किसी एक को क्रेडिट नहीं आता कि हम जीते ना, वो इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है. क्या आप जिंदगी के करियर के उस मकाम पे आ गई हैं जब दिल से फैसले लेने लगी हैं, दिमाग छोड़ दिया, दिमाग से फैसले लेना बंद कर दिए?
नहीं सर, दिमाग बहुत जरूरी है. दिमाग को कहीं नहीं छोड़िएगा. हम नहीं छोड़ते ताकि आपको भी अपना दिमाग घर पे नहीं छोड़ के आना पड़े, ताकि आप भी अपना दिमाग सिनेमा थिएटर में लेके आ सके. हमारा तो यही प्रयास है. नहीं सर, आई थिंक दिल की सुनना बहुत जरूरी है, बट जब हम उसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो तभी दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. और ये बहुत ही एक सुंदर फेज है मेरे करियर का, जहां मुझे अलग अलग प्रकार के किरदार निभाने का मौका मिल रहा है एंड लोग मुझे ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं. जैसे इसी कुछ इन 2 महीनों में बहुत ही वेरीड किस्म का काम करने मिला है मुझे, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल. आई एम आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग ऑल दिस टाइम दैट आई हैव स्पेंट even in the South Indian film industry, Sun Pictures, who were the producers of the Tamil version, and UFO Media, thank you sir, thank you for presenting us to the Hindi market, and I hope this film does well for all of us. Sun Pictures और मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता है, because even before I became a popular face in the South Indian film industry, I've done a lot of ads for their brand, and yeah, it's always been magical to work with them. They really cater to audiences and they make content for audiences.
Tamanna, what was your reaction the moment the maker asked you to be on board? क्या as an artist जब आप किसी फिल्म का हिस्सा बनते हैं, किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हैं? और फिर ये जो गाना अपने आप में इतना बड़ा हो गया हिट, वो आपको उम्मीद थी कि इतना बड़ा हिट हो जाएगा, इतना वायरल हो जाएगा, जैसे सर ने बताया कि बच्चे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं रोड पे?
I feel जब आप ऐसे नाम सुनते हैं जैसे कि अनिरुद्ध सर, Nelson sir, of course this is Rajni sir's film, so being a part of his film, I feel ऐसे नाम बहुत ही bankable नाम है, और इसीलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो बहुत ऑलरेडी बहुत अचीव किया उन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में. उन्होंने बहुत ही कंसिस्टेंटली अचीव किया है इंडस्ट्री में, और ये वैसे भी मुश्किल है बिकॉज द क्रिएटिव आर्ट फॉर्म, everyone has a good day and a bad day, but these people have an unbreakable track record. So I think मेरा natural instinct था कि ये मुझे करना चाहिए, and I'm glad मैंने किया, और I'm glad लोगों को इतना पसंद आ रहा है.
Hi Tamanna.
Hello.
Kesha this side from E-Times. What I want to ask you is that I want you to tell me the one thing respectively that you've learned from Chiranjeevi and Rajnikant, that now that you've worked with them.
I think both of these people, they are extremely humble, extremely hardworking, dedicated, and they've not taken their positions for granted. So as a young actor, this is something that I learned from them, and I hope to imbibe it till the end of my career and till life.
Hi, Tamanna here.
Hi.
I have a question. You said something wonderful about the Indian cricket team and everything. So there was an interview of Priyanka Chopra many, many years ago, I think at least 5 years ago, where she had said that when she went to Hollywood, there were many actors, like many superstars, who were willing to do 5-minute roles, 5-minute parts in a big film to make the entire film work. Do you feel you've seen the industry very closely from a very young age? There are insecurities that crop up between actors in any film industry, which is why a lot of films don't even happen. A lot of filmmakers have also gone out and said that many of their multi-hero films, multi-heroine films have not worked out because of this. But women have majorly been more successful than multiple hero movies of late. Do you see a change in the younger generation of actors today? Do you feel that there's more security, or do you think that insecurities are still there?
I think change is individual. Like, I remember when Bahubali happened, or my very first successful Telugu film Happy Days happened. Thereafter, a recent show I did, Ji Karda. I have always been a part of ensemble films, and I've never shied away from that, because I think there is power when a lot of great creative people come together. And I think I've always been a very secure actor, so I can talk for myself that I feel, in fact, when you are with these great stalwarts of the industry, your best comes out, because you know you can't do anything but your A game. So you bring on your A game and you take it on head on, and if all goes well, the audience loves it, and the return is manifold, and it actually lasts for, like, Bahubali is a film I think nobody will ever forget in Indian cinema, and I feel like I got an opportunity because I was open to the idea that I should be a part of an ensemble and not think, my role is that much or my role is this much. Understanding that every character has its own part to play.
Ma'am,
हेलो तमन्ना जी
जी कहाँ पर?
यहाँ पे तमन्ना जी
Yes.
तमन्ना जी शारिक फ्रॉम इंडियन एक्सप्रेस
नमस्ते. बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक नाम है आपका.
जी तमन्ना जी आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जैसे पहले आइटम नंबर्स होते थे और बहुत हिट भी हुए हैं, बट अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे साउथ इंडस्ट्री डोमिनेट करी आइटम नंबर्स को, तो आप क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में?
It's an interesting thing that you ask. जब मैं I had audio issues.
अच्छा, one second, slowly.
और अभी साउथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज में काफी सारे आइटम नंबर्स हिट हो रहे हैं, तो क्या लगता है आपको, क्या रीजन मानती हैं आप इस चीज को?
I'll tell you one thing. When I started my career and I had already received a lot of love and it was way into my career, I just felt like I used to really enjoy dancing, and that's when I got my first opportunity for a special song. And I was like, what, I love dancing. I love to dance, I love to perform, I want to do this song. So I've done, I think, this must be my 7th or 6th song that I might have done in my career. Out of which I think 2 or 3 really became big songs. This being the most heard. So I feel like it's not about a certain industry or about I just feel like हर song की अपनी तकदीर होती है, and incidentally it's happened so that a lot of good audio has come from the southern film industry. Anirudh is a wonderful composer, and I feel like right now the joy of being an actor or a creative person is all those lines ना कि यहाँ से है वहाँ से है, all the regionality का lines are completely blurring. So it's a great time for us creative people because we can have that exchange.
तमन्ना जी, एक और क्वेश्चन है कि मतलब सब लोग आपके ये गाने पे रील बना रही हैं, आप किसके साथ रील बनाना चाहेंगी ये गाने पे?
सर मैंने तो बना ली 2 बहुत ही खूबसूरत डांसर्स के साथ, इसीलिए सब बना रहे हैं.
Tamanna this side. Adi.
यहाँ बनाएंगे ना आज. Today we'll make today reels.
Tamanna, normal film to this film, what different and extraordinary things you did for yourself? What was the extra Tamanna you put? Okay, yes, this is something I can do it.
I think one thing I have to credit, and I am always very passionate about every time I go on a film set or even whatever, whether I'm interacting with you guys or making a reel or making a movie, my every moment of doing this involves a lot of passion, so I've never come without it. But I was very pleasantly surprised to see, apart from Jani Master being on set, Nelson Sir was there throughout the song shoot for every single shot, which is a rarity. Not every director likes to be on set when a song is being filmed. Some few filmmakers do that, and you can see the difference. Like, you can see the quality that comes across when the director is a part of the music and a part of the kind of song that gets churned out. So I am very thankful to Nelson sir because he's been a huge part of why Kawala looks the way it does.
Tamanna, this is such a huge assembled cast is there, you know. But credit to you that you are carrying the press meet on your shoulders, being a woman. What do you have to say?
I am a Mumbai girl. ये तो मेरा city है. मैं यहाँ पर पली बड़ी हूँ. आप लोग मेरे अपने हो. तो मुझसे better. I mean, I feel very proud कि इस टीम ने मुझे काबिल समझा कि मैं आके आप सबके साथ ये वक्त बिता सकूं because whether you know it or not, I have a very soft corner in my heart for you guys, and it will always be like that because I am from here, and the fact that you're giving this so much love means a lot because today you guys are helping us blur the lines. Whether it's a Tamil film, a Telugu film, any kind of film, it's with your help that we're able to blur the lines. So yeah, I feel super lucky to kind of be the flag bearer of Jailer.
Would you like to answer Pankaj? He was worried that if you don't come.
No, who Pankaj? Sir, आपको टेंशन था कि मैं नहीं आऊँगी? मैं तो चप्पू भी लेके आ जाती.
अरे वो तो ह्यूमर में था ऐसे.
Tamanna, hi. Tamanna, hi, Russell. Hi, Russell, you're from PTI.
Hi.
Tamanna, my question is a little on the nose. I hope you don't mind. The thing is, your pairing is looking obviously fantastic with Rajni sir, and it looks with any hero. When it comes to Hindi films, the moment the age gap is a bit large, like recently we saw in Tiku Beg Sheru or with Salman Khan movies, usually there's a lot of chatter over it. When it comes to South movies, we don't see the same chatter, be it with Rajnikant, be it with Chiranjeevi. Now, this is not a personal thing. I just want to see about the fans. Is it because the South heroes are put on a pedestal and they are worshipped so much so they are impervious to such criticism?
No, I think all these really big superstars understand that they're actors first. And as an actor, your age doesn't matter. It's only in India we have this idea of age and actors being of a certain age. Internationally, I mean, nobody asks these questions because it doesn't matter. We are an actor. I am playing a character. Rajni sir is playing a character. He's a god. He's a demigod for like the entire nation. But everyone is playing a character. And I feel like we as performers value that over everything. So that is supreme. And you know what? I might be 60 and I might be still doing a song like this. And I think if a Tom Cruise can be on a, do an action sequence at the age of 60, I want to do this song at 60 and I want to rock it even more. And I hope people go berserk way more than they have today.
I'm sure
that's my quest.
One second.
तमन्ना जी जानना चाहूंगा कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब आप काम करती हैं और वो भी जो लव वंस होते हैं नियर डियर वंस होते हैं विजय सर का क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट रहा है
बस यही that's why माइक नहीं दिया था. It's called Google and Internet. Next, अभिषेक सर
मैं ये कहना
चाहता हूँ
कि मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है आपके सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए, लेकिन हम आ जाए हैं दिलबरा के लिए.
One second. अभी यार that's why this is intimate. तभी माइक मैंने ऐसे ही दे दिया to trust both sides. I want to call Vek sir right now because you are one of the.
One is that the film should be good, and the other is that the distribution should be outstanding. Distribution has to take a film over and above and beyond where the producer takes it. The producer takes it there, the distributor pushes it across the finishing line. I've been associated with UFO for 25 years. We built a whole new brand of film distribution through satellite into the theatres, and the penetration that they have pan-India is such that no other distributor can even hope to go there. So we have Rajnikant, we have something that's already going viral on social media, and as you said, it hasn't even stopped. Every day it's getting more and more and more and more and more. We have great distribution in the best theatres across the country. I predict that this is going to be a sleeper hit in India. It's going to be a big hit across the South in any case, but I hope it does. And I've been a fan of Rajni sir. I was telling Tamanna when we met outside ever since I was a kid. So have we all actually. So I think it's.
आपके साथ जब मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था पहली बार, I remember going into a theater in interior Tamil Nadu, एंड मैं एक तभी ना थिएटर में जगह नहीं बची थी, बट वो जानते थे कि मैं आ रही हूँ, सो दे एक्चुअली पुट अ स्टील का चेयर फॉर मी सो आई कुड सिट एंड वॉच रजनी सर ऑन स्क्रीन. एंड मैंने पहले 10 मिनट फिल्म देखी नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था और मुझे कुछ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा था, बिकॉज क्योंकि लोग सिर्फ अलग अलग चीज़ें उड़ा रहे थे. स्क्रीन वॉज कवर्ड विथ फ्लावर्स, विथ सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स, एंड दैट इज द हिस्टेरिया ही इज हैड इन मूवी थिएटर्स. एंड मैं एक स्टील के चेयर पर बैठ के मैंने फिल्म देखी है. सो आई कैन नॉट टेल यू दैट टुडे इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ ग्रेट प्राइड फॉर मी टू एक्चुअली बी अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज फिल्म and take it to even the audiences here in Mumbai. And yeah, उनसे ये तो सीखा है मैंने कि हमेशा लोगों का आदर करना चाहिए. वो अपने फैंस को बहुत ज़्यादा एक्नॉलेज करते हैं, प्यार देते हैं. उन्होंने कभी भी अपने किसी भी फैन को अवॉइड नहीं किया या उन्हें अटेंशन नहीं दिया, क्योंकि वो जानते हैं कि ऑडियंसेस के प्यार की वजह से ही उनका आज ये इतना बड़ा दर्जा है. तो एज एन एक्टर, एज अ परफॉर्मर, ये उनसे मैंने सीखा है. और मैं चाहूँगी कि जब मैं लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करूँ, मैं उनको प्यार दे सकूँ, बिकॉज उन्होंने हमें प्यार के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दिया है. सो दैट्स समथिंग आई टेक एंड कीप इट इन माय हार्ट. मतलब टाइम चालू है, मतलब मीटर चालू है. मतलब शायद मैंने अभी अभी एंट्री मारी है एंड आपको पता भी नहीं, क्योंकि कल क्या होगा किसको पता. मेरा प्रयास तो वही है कि मैंने बोला ना, मैं तो टॉम क्रूज जैसे करूँगी, करना है मुझे. मैं बहुत इंस्पायर्ड हूँ, तो मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही. आपको मुझे बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा वैसे तो.
साथ ही अगर सुपरस्टार्स की बात हो तो यू नो कि हिंदी एंड साउथ में क्या क्या डिफरेंस देखती है? खैर आज तो पैन इंडिया है, फिर भी क्या डिफरेंसेस आप देखती है? क्योंकि दोनों फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आपने काम किया है, तो क्या सबसे खासियत क्या है जो साउथ को आज लोगों के दिलों में पहुंचाने के लिए काफी हेल्पफुल होगा?
मुझे मैं अपने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से बात कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एवरीबडी. बट मैंने जब से राज सर के साथ काम किया, राजमौली सर के साथ